Alright, guys, welcome back to One Man in the Moor. Repeat customer. Man, I haven't noticed it's been so dry. This is like the third customer to where last time I cut it was like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. It's been so dry it ain't even grown. And normally, like a few weeks ago, probably 4 or 5 weeks ago, it was growing expeditiously. Like it was growing like fast, too fast to maintain. Just go back and watch the footage. But it hasn't really grown, which is a good thing because it isn't going to take that long to do it. And yeah, once the rain come next week, then it may sprout back up. But almost everybody's grass looks damn near the same. Where I cut it and it hasn't rained. Oh, before I let y'all go, I did. I mean, they'll call it, I guess, ghetto, but I gotta make shit shake for the way it is. So, switching the logo. Stay tuned. I did put this on the car, the van. Nothing really special at the moment, but I do gotta do some stuff, try to make some money. So this mower here helps. But I probably cut that on like 2, 3. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll let y'all know when I come back.